What's up, everybody? Kermit the Frog here. Yeah, I look better, and I feel better. Yeah, lots of stuff's been going on lately. Me and Miss Piggy finally stopped, quarreling, and I've started eating healthier, and I have more energy. There's one thing that still bugs the crickets out of me, though. Daylight. Where is that guy? And why hasn't he responded to my challenge video? Daylight, you can't keep ducking me forever. Though, with your usual talk and run approach, I'd say you remind me more of Camillo the chicken than a duck. And you know this Vlad TV guy, he hasn't said a word about my challenge video yet either. He's covering plenty of Daylight stuff, but nothing about my challenge. They have all the Daylight news, but nothing Kermit. And Queen's Flip? I guess you're too busy on your museum tour to recognize the biggest frog star of all time. I respect how you're doing a tour of 88 museums, but really, no love for the frog? Whatever, though. I'm not going to grovel for you guys. Hey, I've been thinking it over, and I have two theories about what's up. One, he's starstruck. I mean, really, how many genuine A-list movie stars do you think that Daylight has really met? I mean, he does take his work very seriously. But come on, Daylight! This is a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity. Don't let it pass you by. I guess the second theory, he's just not taking me seriously. I mean, I know there are a lot of talents out there that try to switch from one thing to another, and I don't want him to think I'm just some clown out there, like Tracy McGrady in baseball. Which is why we've moved to more, professional setup. Behold, a recording booth. Yeah, enough sound foam to fill your ears. If I had ears. And, what's a booth unless you have the skills to spit? All right. Daylight probably doesn't think I can rap. Daylight, you know how I created the ABCs and most of the world learned the alphabet from me? ABCs make words, and words make bars, so technically that's a lot of lines these alphas bit for me. It's ironic how they think I'm the youngster to this battle rap spittin', yet somehow you're older. Crack City's the game, you got a crew full of soldiers. That's nothing pimpin', until you see my monster strippin', Super Grover. Word. They ran over their heads. Like, new nails flow. Your battle fans, they all look bored. That's a reference to a sailboat. Hey, did they tell you I have an arm connect? And it's not an elbow. He's in his own world. Monster. Elmo. Ask Count Dracula. He can count the hunger in a man. And my boy Oscar? He's technically a monster with a can. As far as the name flips, I heard the same spits in 3 cities. And you know what rhymes with Daylight? P. Diddy! Your move, Daylight! Your move!